Hi everyone, welcome to my LingoVerse channel. Today I'll teach you how to introduce yourself in English. It's super simple and very useful, so stay with me. Let's start with basic when you meet someone. You can say, "Hi, my name is Ahmed." "Hi, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher."
Hi, my name is Idris Musleh. I'm from Canada. I'm 25 years old. I'm an English teacher and a YouTuber. I love helping people learn languages.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is I'm from I'm from I'm years old. I'm a I'm a Many learners say I'm from Canada country, but that's wrong. Just say I'm from Canada. No need to say country. Or people say or people say I'm student. That's wrong. You should say I'm a student. Don't forget the article a. Now, you can introduce yourself in English, leave a comment, and tell me what's your name and where are you from. I'll read them all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more easy English with me. See you next.